Melissa, how are you? It's Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. We spoke late last week. Like I said, I was going to make you guys a custom video looking at your online presence. Hopefully, you're able to pass this on to either Melissa or Luther, whoever kind of makes these decisions and looks at these sort of things. So, without further ado, I just want to jump right in and make this short and sweet for you. First and foremost, I want to talk about three things. I want to talk about content, which is obviously on your website. I want to talk about backlinks, and I want to talk about buyer intent keywords. Okay, these are all things that can bring Bluebonnet Patio Covers more qualified customers, and that's what this is all about, right? So, jumping in to talk about number one, content. First of all, just looking at your website, it looks great, very visually appealing. In terms of content, though, everything from every word, every picture, every description, every embedded link is scrolled by Google on a continuous basis, and that's how these organic search terms are loaded when folks are searching for this product online. So, just one thing I noticed right out the bat that is a pretty easy fix, but something I might point out. When we click on these pictures, okay, when I do a save image as, it comes up as you can see here, home section dash three dot JPEG. This is a very easy, just missed opportunity of having a buyer intent keyword saved as that picture. So when Google is scrolling the website, it's picking up on these keywords and saying, okay, you know what, this company does this, they focus on this, they're working in these areas. So again, just wanted to point that out real quick. The other thing about content, minimum you want to have 1,500 words. That is kind of the minimum of what Google sees in Google's eyes um, as a good number of words to have to be able to scroll. But what that also does is it allows you to have those keywords throughout your website, um, in in that content. So right now, I think you have under 500 words on the website. So not too far off, but definitely lacking a little bit. So the second thing I want to talk about, obviously the strength of the website. So just wanted to pull up a tool here that I use. It's called Ahrefs. This is just a software that where I can plug in your website and kind of just get a snapshot of the strength of the website. Just so you kind of understand these two numbers right here that I'm circling with my mouse. This is kind of the strength of your website. This is out of 100, you're at an 18. So definitely some room for improvement there. This is the popularity, and that's just at a 1.2. So as you can see, so what I wanted to do was just pull one of your competitors, and by looking for a competitor, basically I just typed in a very high volume keyword in your industry, patio covers San Antonio. I know you guys do a lot of work in New Braunfels as well as surrounding areas, so I picked the big city. But as you can see here, top three folks in the map pack. This is free as well. I know that you guys are in the map pack, the top three in New Braunfels, but I wanted to pull San Antonio. So we could definitely get you in here as well. All that would take is getting in some directories that these folks are in and beating the competition out to make sure that you're in San Antonio as well when somebody types this in, patio cover San Antonio. But what I also want to look at was just one of your competitors. So I just pulled up one of the top three here. I think it was River City Deck and Patio, um, just to give you a comparison, right? So again, you guys have 55 backlinks, 291 organic keywords. When we go over and look at River City here, as you can see, very pretty strong presence. They got a lot of popularity on the website as well. But I mean, look at the number of backlinks that, and again, backlinks are just, think of it as power to your website, power to your search results. And the way they're getting this is they've got 525 referring domains. That means their website URL is showing up on other domains and leading them back to their website. They also have organic keywords. So just to take a quick look at these. And what we look at with organic keywords is really buyer intent, right? Nobody's going to type in deck builder San Antonio unless they're looking for somebody to build a deck. So let me just do a quick explanation of these numbers. But this is a, you've heard me say high volume search word. This is 400 searches for this per month, which is, is pretty substantial. I mean, they're getting, and this number here that I highlighted, this is your traffic. So they're getting 47 folks that are calling, clicking through to get more information. That's a high number per month. I mean, you can think of that as 47 clients that are looking at purchasing products through them. And then this is the position, the rank on Google when somebody types in these keywords. And so they're number 3 on the first page of Google. So let's look back at your organic keywords here. Again, 291, but we see a lot of this patio covers Austin. Obviously, you guys do work in Austin as well. But just to give you an idea, so some of the traffic that you're getting. Obviously, I think this is from a branded thing, probably through your vendor, one of your top vendors. Patio Covers Austin, that's good. I mean, you got 400 volume. You're getting 9 click-throughs, 9 phone calls, 9 clients out of that, and you've got it's right around probably the top of the second page. We definitely want to get these on the first page. And so Patio Covers of Austin, 400 volume, 5 click-throughs, 5 clients from that, rank of a 13, position 13. So as you can see, there's a lot of room for improvement, and all that means is bringing more customers that are looking for your product, buyer intent keywords that we can really focus on. So like I said, I wanted to keep this short and sweet for you. Please pass this along to the powers that be that might want to take a look at this. If you guys want to implement this stuff yourself, I'm totally fine with that. Like I said. But if you would like to have further conversations, ask me some more questions. I'd love to do that as well. So again, this is my website here, executiondigital.com. My contact information, Rick Mills. My phone number, 512-879-9544. And I hope you guys have a great day and look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.